महाधिपो भानुशशीधरां सुतो बुधो गुरुभार्गवसूर्यनन्दनो राहुश्च केतुश्च परन्नवग्रह कुर्वन्तु पूर्णमनोरथं सदा उपेन्द्र इन्द्रो वरुणो हुताशनं धर्मो यमो वायुहरिश्चतुर्भुजं गन्धर्वयक्षो रगसिद्धचारणा कुर्वन्तवो पूर्णमनोरथं सदा।
Shri Pavan Sutta Hanuman Ki Jai. Devotees, we're happy to have you, for we know everywhere, I don't know of any temple or any place of devotion where special mention being made of Hanumanji. So celebrations are taking throughout the world, not only in Trinidad. And we're happy to have you, and we hope this evening will be a very special one for each and every one. Now there is so much to say about Hanuman that the thought crossed our mind that, to have just one evening of satsang in praise of Hanuman is not enough. So next year we can look out to something longer, more, and we'll tell you the exact details later on. When I say later on, not tonight, but at the next Hanuman Jayanti draws near. Because I myself, I don't feel happy sitting here just talking about Hanumanji, giving one or two incidents or one or two facts about him. Because he is unbelievable when you read about his lifestyle. Unbelievable. So let us go straight into it. Those who came, you made preparations and you made your offerings, you have done well. Remember, all you need to do, the Lord says, whatever you can afford, whether it's a flower, a drop of water, a grain of rice, a fruit, offer it with love, with devotion, and He'll accept it and bless you abundantly. So, blessings to you once again, and we commence now. I shall glorify the Lord. You have been hearing the Hanuman Chalisa being recited, and we hope more of you will prepare for that next year, so we can have everybody, perhaps, if it's possible, sing the Hanuman Chalisa. So we might have a whole day celebration on that alone, but we don't know. So focus upon the comely form of Pavan Sutta Hanuman. He is in you, He's around you, He's everywhere. We know what He looks like. He's a divine master, supreme force, almighty, Ekadas Rudra, the 11th form of Lord Shiva. And Om Tat Sat, Om Shri Hanumantai Namah, Jai Bajrangbali, Jai Mahavir Swami. We'll sing a simple kirtanam and then we move on. Bando Pavan Kumar खलबन पावक ज्ञान घन जासु हृदय आगार बसहि राम शरचाप धरा मारुत नंदन नमो नमः कष्ट भंजन नमो नमः असुर निकंदन नमो नमः श्री राम दूतम नमो नमः हे मारुत नंदन नमो नमः कष्ट भंजन नमो नमः असुरनिकन्दन नमो नमः श्रीरामदूतं नमो नमः हे मारुतनन्दन नमो नमः कष्टभञ्जन नमो नमः असुरनिकन्दन नमो नमः श्रीरामदूतं नमो नमः मारुतनन्दन नमो नमः अंजनी नंदन नमो नमः केशरी नंदन नमो नमः अतुलित बल नमो नमः पवनय पुत्रम नमो नमः अंजनी नंदन नमो नमः केशरी नंदन नमो नमः अतुलित बल नमो नमः पवनय पुत्रम नमो नमः अंजनी नंदन नमो नमः केशरी नंदन नमो नमः अतुलित बल नमो नमः पवन पुत्रम नमो नमः मारुतनंदन नमो नमः श्रीरामदूतं नमो नमः श्रीरामदूतं नमो नमः बोले श्री पवन सुत हनुमान की. Now devotees, I was surprised today when I made one or two comments concerning Hanumanji, and the devotees where I went, they didn't know that Hanuman had a family. Now, how could we not have a family when the Lord Himself showed the importance of the family? So I shall spend some time speaking about the family of Hanuman. We already started. Who was the father? Keshari, mother Anjana. That is one incarnation. But it's much, much more than that. So here, I will go to certain members of the family. Sri Hanumanji, he had a guru. And his guru was Sugriv. That was his guru. Now, all of these have lengthy stories behind them. And when we do the yag, we shall speak more about them, but just briefly. Devotees, it all started when Hanumanji was sitting on the lap of his mother. And those were special days, if we can remember them, sitting on the lap of her mother and enjoying her company, her blissful company. And so devotees, she nursed him. Those were also very special days. Who didn't grow up on mother's milk? If you didn't, then something went wrong somewhere. But there are situations where it doesn't happen, where you have to grow up on cow's milk or some other milk. So devotees, we all started life on milk. And this is why I get so annoyed, forgive me for stating that word, that when sometimes Panchamrita is being distributed, I don't want. Who are you? Who are you? Life started on milk, whether it's mother's milk, cow's milk, or some milk. And you say you don't want Panchamrita, which is 5 important ingredients mixed in the milk for your welfare, for your betterment, for your good thoughts. This is, anyway, leave it there. Devotees, Panchamrita should be consumed. And if you don't want to drink all, at least sip it. Some take it and rub it on the head. I don't know why. But then people do all sorts of things, crazy and otherwise. It is given for you to sip and to strengthen yourself physically, spiritually, emotionally, and otherwise. So take the Panchamrit, and later on we are going to share Panchamrit. And I will be looking at you. God sees you and your mind. You will know. Okay. So devotees, when he drank after a while, his belly was not filled, as we say. And there are children like that. They just want to drink and drink because it's so nourishing, so tasty, so special. It's a very, very calming, soothing effect upon them. So Mother Anjana is saying, but I have nursed him for quite some time. How much more? So then she said, if you are still hungry, there's that fruit. I'll give you the story. There's that fruit. Go pluck that fruit, enjoy it as much as you want. So Hanumanji by now had all kinds of spiritual powers. So he flew up to the sun. But we all know nobody can interfere with God's work. You will try, but you will fail. You will try, but you will fail. So as he was going towards the sun, they say to swallow it. Nobody could swallow the sun. It's just a story. The devatas became fearful that what is he going to do? Why is he going towards the sun? And devotees, they consulted and they decided to act. And devotee, they dealt him a blow. But Indra really dealt him a blow on his face, on the jaw, and he fell. And devotee began to float in the space. His father was annoyed. Which father wants to see his son being hit or hurt by anybody? Nobody. And so, to cut the story short, devotees, it was difficult to breathe because he is Prandata. Hanuman is Prandata. He that give up air. Without air, we can't live. We can't live. We can lose all the other senses. We can lose the sense of sight, of hearing, of touch, of taste. But if we lose that important sense, then devotees, we are lost, we are doomed. The sense of breath, of breathing. Because the way we breathe affects the way we think, and the way we think affects the kind of action we perform. And the action we perform determines the kind of person we become. So everything is based upon breath, how we breathe. So how are you breathing right now? You think about it. How are you breathing? Slow, measured. Are you taking deep breaths? We all know whenever you become full of anxiety, fear, then you need to take a few deep breaths. You know how many of these students we told that? Don't be afraid, you have sweaty hands, you know, all sorts of things happening to you. Just take a few deep breaths and you calm yourself. You calm yourself, devotees. Deep breathing is a great, great medication. It's part of meditation. And if we can breathe, the way we breathe affects our very personality. So, the people began to suffocate. They couldn't breathe. Problems. So devotees, they realized something was wrong. And they went to Pawan Dev and said, "Oh, Master, please, you need to help. The world, people can't continue so." And he says, "You want me to give you that air that you can breathe? You give me back my son who is now floating in space. Bring him back." Now that's fair enough. You want to get, you have to give. Many people want to get and they don't want to give, you know. We have to, if you want to get, we have to give. What you give, it depends upon you and the time and the place and the circumstance. So they made that agreement, and so devotees, the air, as we say, to use the term they used, was released, and people could breathe once again. You ever find yourself in a situation where you're gasping for breath? It's not a good situation. Not a good situation. And so they all began to breathe freely. But what happened? Hanuman's father said, if I release this air and you all can breathe, what are you going to give my son? And so all the devatas, 33,000 devatas, they began to bless Hanuman with different boons. Like again, Devata said, my fire will never burn him. All right? And Durga Devi says, whatever he wants, I shall grant it unto him. So Hanuman is the most blessed individual, most blessed devotee, most blessed form of the Lord. That's why he's so popular and so well loved and so well worshipped and so powerful. So they all give him Bardhan. All give him Bardhan. And when he got that, he jumped up. And now he was very powerful. And devotees, you know what is to have power? It's good to have power, but not to abuse it. There are those who show how important power is and they use it righteously. And now people are asking for your support to get power. What they'll do with it? Thank God, you know, you decide. We're doing it every time. We're giving them the power. And what they're giving us, I will not talk about that. But you are intelligent people. All right, they're giving you a tax then. Just a simple example. So he became revived. So all was well, everybody was happy. And they began to glorify Hanumanji. And devotees, let us glorify him before you proceed to another aspect of this evening devotion, which is what happened when he was revived. There is this wonderful bhajan, Bandhu Charan Kamalar Gunandan, but it is also Bandhu Mahabir Hanumana. Let's join. Bandhu Mahabir Hanumana, oh Bandhu Mahabir Hanumana, he Bir Hanumana, Bir Hanumana, Bir Hanumana, Bir Hanumana, Bandhu Mahabir Hanumana. इन समबर भागी को वो नहीं, प्रभु ने जेहि यश आप बखाना, बंदो महावीर हनुमाना, अजर अमर गुण निधि बलधारी, अजर अमर प्रभु अजर अमर हनु अजर अमर गुण निधि बलधारी, दियो जान की यह परदान, बंदो सकल राम के काज संहारे, लक्ष्मण को दीन है पुण्य प्राण, बंदो महावीर हनुमाना, रामचरित सुनिवे को प्रेमी, वीर धुरीन महाजग जाना, बंदो महावीर हनुमाना, यम को त्रासा यम को त्रास, यम को त्रास निवारण करता, दुख हरता हे दुख हरता, जन रक्षक वाना, बंदो महावीर हनुमाना, हे बंदो पारावसी सो यह का रची करहो स्वीकार स्वयं बंदो
महावीर हनुमाना।
कृपा दृष्टि कर मोहिनी हारो कृपा दृष्टि प्रभु कृपा दृष्टि. Call your name. Call the names of those who are near and dear to you on this auspicious day of Hanuman Jayanti. Wherever they are, alive or not, the soul never died, did not die. May everyone be blessed by the grace, the power, the might of Hanumanji. Kripa drishti Prabhu Kripa drishti Kripa drishti kare mohini haro Mishne tumhare das ayana bando. He bando Mahavir. This final verse taken from Ramayana devotees. Rakhahu sharan sabe dukha taro. Prabhu, who am I? What power do I have? How can from my sight be? How far can my hands reach? But your eyes, your hands, everything can reach me wherever I am, in whatever form, in whatever place. Therefore, I seek your shelter. I seek your blessings. I seek your guidance for myself, my home, and my family devotee. This is a very special moment, and this is the power of the song, where we bow in all humility and ask, oh Lord, you are the mighty. Many are mighty, but you are the Almighty. Oh Lord, accept our prayer. Shower your grace and mercy upon us. Bless, guide, help, and protect each and every one. राखो शरण प्रभु राखो शरण जय जय राखो शरण सबे दुख तारो भक्त तुम्हार भावन आन बंदो महावीर हनुमान. ओ बंदो हे वीर हनुमान वीर हनुमान. ओ वीर हनुमान वीर हनुमान बंदो महावीर हनुमान बंदो महावीर हनुमान. ओ बंदो महावीर हनुमान. Simple kirtan devotees. बजरंग बली जय 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 बजरंग बली
बजरंग बली जय 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 बजरंग बली. बजरंग बली 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 जय हनुमान बाबा जय हनुमान बोलो जय हनुमान बाबा जय हनुमान जय हनुमान बाबा जय हनुमान जय हनुमान बाबा जय हनुमान जय 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 हनुमान बाबा जय हनुमान 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 look at Hanuman focus upon him it's his help his blessing we are seeking जय हनुमान बाबा जय हनुमान 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 बोलो हनुमान जय हनुमान बाबा जय 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 हनुमान ओ जय हनुमान बाबा जय महावीर स्वामी जय महावीर बोलो जय महावीर स्वामी जय महावीर जय महावीर स्वामी जय महावीर ओ जय महावीर स्वामी जय महावीर 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 बोलो जय महावीर स्वामी जय महावीर 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 बोलो महावीर हर महावीर जय महावीर स्वामी जय महावीर जय महावीर स्वामी जय महावीर जय महावीर स्वामी जय महावीर स्वामी जय महावीर जय महावीर स्वामी जय महावीर जय महावीर जय महावीर स्वामी जय महावीर बोले श्री पवन सुत हनुमान की. So devotees, the Devatas blessed Hanumanji in return for restoration of the ability to breathe. And we know breath is life. Breath is life. So Hanumanji had all this power. And he now went to the sun, as I was telling you, and devotees. No one can tamper with God's way. I said before, there are many who are mighty, but God is the Almighty. And always remember that. So when you're having your difficult moments, when others who are more powerful and you're trying to suppress you, just do like the bamboo stool. What does it do? The breeze is coming from the east, going to the west, the stool bends with the breeze. And when the breeze passes, the bamboo stool stands up again. So when the hurricane of problems and distress and difficulties come your way, bow your head to who? To God. Bow your head to righteousness. Bow your head to Guru, to Mother, to Father. Bow your head to Mother Earth. And devotees, that will go. That will go. There's no doubt about it. So what happened? The Devatas, when they blessed him, Hanumanji now began to perform his actions. We will not go into all of them. There's so many actions he performed. But one of them was, devotees, he was told that you need to do X, Y, and Z. I'm not giving all the details. Devotees, this is an incident that's based with Shani Dev. They had to build a bridge to cross to go into Rameshwaram, from Rameshwaram to Lanka. And devotees, at that time, based upon astrological calculations, and I want you to listen carefully to this, devotees, Shani Dev came and said, Hanuman, I know who you are, and you're serving Sri Ram, but based upon calculation, I have to hit you a blow. You have to have a grah. Yes, you have to have this grah. And I am afraid I will have to do my duty. Hanuman said, Shani Dev, you are Devata, one of the 9 Graha Devatas. I am here engaged in duty towards my Lord Sri Ram. Wait until I'm finished, and then when I've served my Lord and I'm happy, I shall come, and you shall hit me wherever, do whatever grah you wish have to visit me. Shani Dev said, no, that's not the way. The time based on calculation, you have to have a grah, and I have to affect your body. Devotees, he was about to affect the body of Hanuman. Now we all undergo what we call grah. And what is a grah simply? Let me put it this way. We all born on certain planets. Whatever it might be, Aquarius, Gemini, Sagittarius, what have you. And when 5 or more of these planets on the left side of your planet, understand what I'm saying? When they're on the left side of your planet, then you have what we call a grah, a time of difficulty. It could be sickness, it could be accident, it could even be death. Devotees, so don't ask me for a grah bad. Yes, it's not a good time. But it's based on calculation, correct calculation. So devotees, Shani Dev wants to do his duty, but Hanuman wants to do his duty also. So which is the greater duty? Duty to the man or duty to the God? Duty to the body or duty to the soul? Duty to the soul or duty to the super soul? Always bear this mind, there's nothing greater and higher than God himself. And he's serving the Lord. And how can I be serving the Lord and I'm not going to be suppressed and, affected by these things? So devotees, no matter what Hanuman Baba told Shani Dev, he said, no, I have to hit you a grah, I have to give you a blow. You have to suffer this grah. So Hanuman devotees, Jai Hanuman Gyan Gun Sagar. Always remember him, Hanuman Gyan Gun Sagar. Jai Kapishti Hu Loka Ujagar. Devotees, Hanuman said, is this so? I'm telling you, I have to serve my Lord. I'm telling you, Sita is waiting, the bridge has to be built, and so much more is at stake, and you come just a grah to hit me? Here what? Devotee wrap his tail around Shani Dev, and he turn him upside down, and he said, you're not seeing right, so I'll knock sense in your head, and hit him, boom, one shot on the ground. He said, you understand what I'm saying? Do not affect me now. I'm not saying I won't allow it to happen, but not now. Now is not the time for me. Devotees, interesting statement by Hanumanji. That's why those who are devoted of Hanuman, you are special and you will always be protected by him. Always protected by him. And devotee, when he turned him upside down and hit him against the rocks, and he began to beg. He said, okay, I understand. I understand. Who could be higher than Hanuman? Who could be more powerful than him? Who could be? Devotee, and he's serving who? Sri Ram, the creator of this world. And devotees, he begged for forgiveness, and he apologized, and he promised. Now here, this is the important part. He promised, O Hanuman, I will never ever trouble or affect any devotee of Sri Ram. So become devotee of Sri Ram. Become devotee of Sri Ram. And these niggling problems, Yes, they will come, but they will not affect you. And that's the big difference, devotees. It will not affect you, it will affect someone who has no love, who has no devotion, who doesn't care, who lives a careless life. So devotees, but it didn't stop there. Hanumanji gave him some mustard oil and say, your head is beaten and bruised, rub it on your head. Rub the mustard oil. Oh Shanidev. And devotees, Shanidev did that, and all was well with him. Now, this is a real long-winded way, because you know when you have a grah, you must offer mustard oil diya. And you know that? You have to light a mustard oil diya. So what is the real reason? Devotees, the Shani Murti in India, I don't know about Trinidad, is made of iron. The Shani Murti, made of iron. And what happens is, iron is prone to corrosion. After some time, the iron corrodes. And how you prevent that? How do you preserve this pure state of the iron? Then you rub the mustard oil. Rub oil. Check it and see. This is what your religion is telling you. So in our case, anybody drinking mustard oil or whatever it is a case of restoring the original murti to its state, original state. So devotees, so it's a protection against water, against moisture, against corrosion. So that's why we use mustard oil for the puja. But we have to understand what it really stands for. So this is a simple incident. But it means so much when it comes to Hanumanji and Shanidev. So devotees, you worship Shanidev. And I don't want to tell you on myself. You say you didn't call me here to talk on myself. Maybe for the young I'll tell you more. You just check for grah regular. Some people just come and say, Baba, I ain't checked since last year. I ain't checked 2 years now. But you check, no problem. That's good. It's good to be guided. But devotee, you will be guided by what a book say a man wrote, or will be guided by God. You decide what you want to be guided by. It's only the strong in faith and belief in heart will follow this way, where you worship Hanuman and say, Lord, I have done my best and I leave the rest in your capable hands. You guide me, you help me, you protect me. When devotee reach that stage of this kind of love and devotion, then devotee and all that is positive, then you reach far. Then you have reached far. So devotees, what happened now? Hanumanji, he is going against a long incident. I'll just give you the gist of it. So when he reaches on a part of the road, he sees a tail stretch across the road. And I don't know if you remember, a long time, mother said, don't cross nobody. Don't cross anybody if you're lying down or whatever it is. For a long time, they used to do that when people lying down, jump over them and with that. You can't do that. You can't cross people, you cross their foot. No. So Hanumanji is there and this tail, he sees this tail across the road. So he says, and I will have to use the word we are accustomed, he said, move your tail. We know that, right? Hanuman said to this individual who is Bhim, he said, move your tail. Bhim said, I want to move my tail, you move it. Because I don't want to move it, you want to move it, you move it. So devotees, Hanumanji tried, and he couldn't move that tail. So he said, something is wrong here. Nobody is stronger than me, nobody has ever done this to me. And when he looked good, he said, wait, you are Bhim, you are my brother. Hanuman then recognized who was his brother. Bhim, devotees. So that's the brother of Hanuman. Who is your brother? You remember your brother? You recognize your brother? You care about your brother? You look after your brother? Or your brother means nothing? You decide, devotees. All these are so simple things. So Hanuman found his brother, whose name was Bhim. Devotees, let us glorify Hanumanji again. And there is this wonderful bhajan, we all know it. Jana Parikripa Karo Hanuman. हो जन पर कृपा करो हनुमान, जन पर कृपा करो हनुमान, हो जन राम के द्वारे तुम रखवारे महावीर बलवान, जन पर महावीर बलवान, संकट मोचन नाम तुम्हारो धरत संत तेरा ध्यान, जन पर धरत संत तेरा ध्यान, हाथ में सूता लाल लंगोटा मुख में नागर पान, जन पर कृपा करो हो जन पर लक्ष्मण मूर्छित पर धरती पर दियो सजीवन आन, जन पर दियो सजीवन आन, जनक सुता के शोक निवारो रघुपर सूझस बखान, जन पर बैठी पताल ही रावण मारो, देवी नदियो बरदान, जन पर देवी नदियो बरदान, मकर ध्वज के राज तिलक दियो पुत्र ये आपनो जान, जन पर ओ जन पर राम लखन के शोक निवारो, दल में ले हनुमान, जन पर दल में ले हनुमान, तुलसीदास पर कृपा कीजिए भक्त ये आपनो जान, भक्त पर कृपा करो हनुमान, जन पर कृपा करो हनुमान, ओ जन पर कृपा करो हनुमान, ओ जन पर कृपा करो। Hanuman ki. Devotees, I want to go back to this point. Hanuman is called Pran Data. That is one aspect of our life we cannot do. If we stop breathing or we're not breathing properly, things go wrong. So devotees, there's a little incident again I want to draw to your attention. But I want to show you the importance and the power of breathing. And you all are breathing because you are alive. And what are you breathing? Air. Air. So breathing properly can help us achieve a physiological condition called coherence. I'll repeat that. And I'm quoting scientific facts right here. Leads to improved mental clarity, focus, emotional stability, and decision making. So devotees, that's of tremendous application and relevance to every one of us. Coherence, improved mental clarity, focus, emotional stability, and decision making. Deep breathing also helps in managing anger, anger and outbursts of a negative nature. For example, you're driving, somebody give a bad drive, right away, impulsively, you want to mash them or go and overtake. Here, breathing will help us to get over that situation. And devotees, we're being told, don't let anyone drag you to a lower level, because you become just like them, just like them. So devotees, the choice is yours and mine. We need to become devotees of Hanumanji. And if we become so, remember every day 21,600 times. How many times do you inhale and exhale every day? Don't go and check it. I'm telling you. These researchers have done that. Each human being 21,600 times we inhale and exhale. Devotees. So the way we breathe affects the way we think, the way we feel, and the way we act. And devotees, breathing is Hanumanji, Pran. He is Pran Devta, Prannath, Vayuputra, Hanumanji. This is Hanumanji whom we're talking about. So when we speak of Hanuman Jayanti, not a monkey flying, and all these things, all that is true, but it's much, much more than that. So devotees, let us join once again. And this bhajan is an oldie and goldie devotees. I remember as a young boy, well, growing up, we would see the ladies with the shak and the 2 spoon and the lota and no dantal. If we have one here, it's okay. And devotees, they will sing these kinds of songs. And what kind? Here is this devotees. अरे कौन दिशा से आए पवन सुत, आए पवन सुत, आए पवन सुत, कौन दिशा से 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 आए पवन सुत, अंजनी के पुत्र राम जी के पायक, लक्ष्मण कुंवर बधाए बधाए, कौन दिशा से आए पवन सुत, कौन दिशा से आए पवन सुत, कौन दिशा से आए पवन सुत, कहा हे रामा कहवे लक्ष्मण, कहाँ से मुद्रिका लाए लाए, कौन दिशा से आए पवन सुत, ओ कौन दिशा से आए पवन सुत, बन ही में रामा बन ही में लक्ष्मण, बन ही में रामा बन ही में लक्ष्मण, बन ही में रामा बन ही में लक्ष्मण, कौन के सत सागर उठायो, कौन दिशा से आए पवन सुत, कौन दिशा से आए पवन सुत, This is a very long song. I'll just sing 1 or 2 verses again. अब जन सोच करो मेरी माता, राम जी सहित दल आए आए, कौन दिशा से आए पवन सुत, हो कौन दिशा से आए पवन सुत, रावण मारे अब हिल जाओ, राम जी आज्ञा नहीं पाए पाए, कौन दिशा से आए पवन, भजन से ओ man, all be on the alert, be prepared. कौन दिशा से आए, he is everywhere, but from which direction he is going to come to visit you, to bless you and do what you ask of him. Devotees, it's up to you now. You have to be mindful of the presence of the Lord. And what Gita says, the Lord is present in us in the heart. He is present in the heart in everyone, although He is everywhere. Ram Krishna puts it beautifully. He says God is everywhere, but are we all in God? God is in all, but are we all in God? Are we all in God? Final verse Tulsidas says, Tulsidas Hanuman ji bharose, oh Tulsidas Hanuman ji bharose, सोवत सिंह जगाए गाए, कौन दिशा से आए पवन सुत, कौन दिशा से आए पवन, हे आए पवन सुत, आए पवन सुत, हे आए पवन सुत आये पवन सुत आये पवन सुत आये पवन सुत आये पवन सुत कौन दिशा से आये पवन सुत कौन दिशा से आये पवन सुत कौन दिशा से
आए पवन सुत।
बोले श्री पवन सुत हनुमान की जय. A few simple words, devotees. Sri Ram had to go to Lanka. With his whole army, they brought thousands of rocks and poured it in the ocean. They began to float through the grace of the Lord and through the power of Nal and Neel. Devotees, Sri Ram had to build a bridge to go Lanka. Hanumanji built no bridge. Ek chalang, one plunge, and he was able to go to Lanka. Such was the faith he had in Bhagwan Sri Ram. Devotees, that's a powerful lesson by itself. And devotees, Hanumanji, he had his tail. Now, I read, maybe for the young I'll tell you more about that. An individual has grown his tail and he's being worshipped as a form of Hanuman in India. The tail, I won't tell you more, you know what I'm talking about, I hope so. So devotees, the tail can be grown through certain spiritual practices and yogic methods, that point and the back. So here now, what the tail represents. Hanuman took his tail and burned down Lanka. He burned Lanka. So what is this symbolism? He says, take the tail of knowledge and wisdom, O man, the tail of knowledge and wisdom, and you can eradicate evil, ignorance, vices, and liberate Sita or the soul from the clutches and restore it to the rightful place. So devotees, the tail is really the tail of knowledge and wisdom. And this is Hanumanji. He has 10 weapons. The tail is one of them. Powerful indeed, devotees. So how much can we say about Hanumanji? I am tempted to go on and on, but I'll have to hold it up there, devotees. And if you're not satisfied with what we have said, then we said before, we are going to do a yajna and for the next Hanuman Jayanti. And devotees, I'm sure you'll be happy to be part of that and to support it fully. Now, the name Hanuman itself, Ha stands for Brahma and Shiva, creation and destruction. Notice. Creation and destruction. Nu stands for worship. Ma stands for Lakshmi and Narayan. Lakshmi and Narayan. And Na stands for heroic strength. So this is what Hanuman is, the power of Hanuman. So devotees, his name also means this. Ha Hanuman, one without doubt. Hanuman never had doubt. He never had any hesitation, any laziness. He was already willing to serve the Lord. And this is a great lesson for you and I. And devotees, remember when he was going for Sajivan Bhuti, that life-giving herb, which some people call it wonder of the world. Devotees, Mainak, a mountain, came out and said, rest a while, Hanuman. You have a long distance. He said, Ram ka kinhe bina mohi kaha bishram. He says, how can I rest when so much needs to be done? And I will leave you this powerful lesson, devotees. Yes, we have sicknesses, we have all types of, problems, we have commitments and so on, but hear what Hanuman is saying to you and I. How can we rest? How can I rest when so much needs to be done? So there's no need for laziness or anything whatsoever. We must have a positive outlook. We be willing to serve, as Sri Hanumanji was always there, willing to serve the Lord. Are you prepared to serve, devotees? This is what you need to do. So don't come and tell me you're going to build this and you're going to bring that and you got what service you're going to do. What have you done so far? I mean you, I'm talking about some people. Devotees, we need to ask these very probing, simple, powerful questions. And so Hanumanji led a life of service in the name of Sri Ram. I pray as I conclude, may all of us make this commitment on this very auspicious day of Hanuman Jayanti to also serve Bhagwan Shri Bajrangbali, Bhagwan Shri Ram. And so the bhajan says, Om Rakhwala Pratipala, Mero Lal Langote Wala, Mere Lal Langote Wala, O Rakhwala. Devotees, a beautiful bhajan. Let us sing it and then we move on. कदम कदम पर रक्षा करता, कर्म कर्म पर रक्षा करता, घर घर करे उजाला उजाला रखवाला प्रतिपाला मेरो लाल लंगोटे वाला रखवाला प्रतिपाला मेरो लाल लंगोटी वाला मेरो
लाल लंगोटी वाला।
निश दिन तेरे ध्यान लगाओ, जप में तेरे माला, धूप दीप नैवेद चढ़ावो, धूप दीप नैवेद चढ़ावो, पर ना यम से पाला हो पाला रखवाला
प्रतिपाला मेरो लाल लंगोटी वाला।
मन मंदिर में वास करे तुम, हे अंजनी के लाला, पाप का नाश करो तुम पाप का नाश मेरे करो तुम, बन के दीन दयाला दयाला रखवाला प्रतिपाला मेरो लाल लंगोटी वाला रखवाला
प्रतिपाला मेरो लाल लंगोटी वाला।
लाल सूरत मेरे मन को मोहे, शीश मुकुट यति प्यारा, कानन कुंडल तिलक विशाला, कानन कुंडल तिलक विशाला, गले मोतियन के माला हो माला रखवाला
प्रतिपाला मेरो लाल लंगोटी वाला।
नामे नियम से जो कोई ध्यावे, मन के मुरदे पावे, भक्त ये मंडल की अर्जी बाबा, भक्त मंडल की अर्जी बाला, भव सागर लगाना लगाना रखवाला
प्रतिपाला मेरो लाल लंगोटी वाला।
मेरो लाल लंगोटी वाला मेरो लाल लंगोटी
वाला।
बोले श्री पवन सुत हनुमान की जय। Okay, so the Havan has been completed. So I want to say a few words briefly. Our Shrota is a wonderful individual, has always been supportive with her husband, Sujak, who is sitting here. And whenever called upon to serve, she is just like the Hanuman. And she loves Hanuman more than anyone I could think about. And she would always say for Hanuman Jayanti. And so to you, Sunita, blessings to you. Keep up the good work, you look well. And I'm sure you're taking care of yourself as well as Sujat. And continue to take care of each other. And there's only one way to go. That's upward, forward, and Godward. So, you who came to join with them, we are happy that you were able to come here. And we're putting you on notice that we are going to have a yag for, I'm not saying how long, it depends on the meeting when we have with the devotees. Whether it's 3 nights, 1 night, 5 nights, 9 nights, you decide. So, blessings to one and all. Shubh Hanuman Jayanti. So now we shall proceed straight to Aarti. Please, sab koi khada ho jaye, all stand for Aarti and devotees. If you know the Aarti, we'll start off with this Aarti and devotees. Then we shall pass over to the group to join with us, to lead us in prayer. Om Sajam Chavarti Sanyuktang Vahin Yogitang Vaya Deepam Grihana Devasya Trailokya Timirapamiti Deepam Om Jai Hanumat Veera Swami Jai Hanumat Veera Sankat Mochan Swami Sankat Mochan Swami तुम हो रणधीरा ओम जय हनुमत वीरा ओम जय
हनुमत वीरा
पवन पुत्र अंजनी सुत महिमा यति भारी प्रभु महिमा अति भारी दुख दारिद्र मिटावो दुख दारिद्र मिटावो संकट सब हारी ओम जय हनुमत वीरा ओम
जय हनुमत वीरा
बाल समय में तुमने रवि को भक्ष लियो प्रभु रवि को भक्ष लियो देवन स्तुति कीन्ही तब देवन स्तुति कीन्ही तब छाड़ दियो ओम जय
हनुमत वीरा
ओम
जय हनुमत वीरा
कपि सुग्रीवय राम संग मैत्री वाये मैत्री करवावे बाली बलि मराए कपि सधी दिलवाई ओम जय
हनुमत वीरा
ओम
जय हनुमत वीरा जय हनुमत वीरा
श्री बालाजी की आरती जो कोई नर गावे प्रभु जो कोई नर गावे कहत ये इंद्र हर्षित मन वांछित फल पावे ओम जय हनुमत वीरा ओम जय हनुमत वीरा
बनी का क्या कहना दुनिया में देव हजारों हैं बजरंगबली का क्या कहना इनकी शक्ति का क्या कहना इनकी भक्ति का क्या कहना इनकी शक्ति का क्या कहना इनकी भक्ति का क्या कहना कहना, लंका को जलना क्या कहना। दुनिया मेरी हजारों ही, बजरंग बली का क्या कहना। दुनिया मेरी
हजारों ही, बजरंग बली का क्या कहना।
जब लक्ष्मण जी बेहोश हुई, संजीवनी बूटी लान गई। जब लक्ष्मण जी बेहोश हुई, संजीवनी बूटी लान गई। पर्वत को उठाना क्या कहना, लक्ष्मण को जलना क्या कहना। दुनिया मेरी हजारों ही, बजरंग बली का क्या कहना। दुनिया मेरी
हजारों ही, बजरंग बली का क्या कहना।
भक्तों इनके सीन में सिया राम की जोड़ी बैठी है। ये राम दीवाना क्या कहना, गुण गाए जमाना क्या कहना। दुनिया मेरी हजारों ही,
बजरंग बली का क्या कहना।
दुनिया मेरी हजारों ही, बजरंग बली का क्या कहना। दुनिया मेरी हजारों ही, बजरंग बली का क्या कहना। दुनिया मेरी हजारों ही, बजरंग बली का क्या कहना। दुनिया मेरी हजारों ही, बजरंग बली का क्या कहना। गंगा गंगा चोरी धारा बहिना बहिना, गंगा चोरी धारा बहिना 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 बहिना।
बहिना 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 बहिना,
गंगा चोरी धारा बहिना बहिना।
छोटी धारा बहिना बहिना।
ही पर गंगा वही पर जमुना,
पर गंगा वही पर जमुना।
बिचवा में धारा बहिना बहिना।
बिचवा में धारा बहिना बहिना।
गंगा चोरी धारा बहिना बहिना, गंगा चोरी धारा बहिना बहिना। ही पर चंद्रा वही पर सरजू,
पर चंद्र वही पर सरजू।
बिचवा में तारा उगीना उगीना।
बिचवा में तारा उगेना उगेना।
गंगा चोरी धारा बहिना बहिना।
गंगा छोटी धारा बहिना बहिना।
ही पर रामा वही पर लक्ष्मण,
पर रामा वही पर लक्ष्मण।
बिचवा में सीता हरीना हरीना।
बिचवा में सीता हरेना हरेना।
गंगा चोरी धारा बहिना बहिना, गंगा चोरी धारा बहिना बहिना।
गंगा छोटी धारा बहिना बहिना।
वीर हनुमान अति बलवान, वीर हनुमान अति बलवान। राम नाम
this point, devotees, let us join in closing prayer. Remember the incident about the fruit and the sun. Put in another way it is, Sri Hanumanji went to Suraj Devata to get his science of astrology, astronomy. That is deeper meaning. And we all know the planetary alignments have a lot to do with astrology, even astronomy. So Hanumanji, he reminds us of that important aspect of our life, that the inner meaning, the deeper meaning between going to swallow the sun. Nobody could do that. He just went, and that's how he got knowledge and science of astrology, and that's how Surya Devata became his guru. So there's a lot more. As we move along, we shall be discussing it, devotees. So here now we have come to the end. You stand on the 2 feet of courage and manliness. Notice Hanumanji stands with 1 foot up and 1 foot down. The right foot is always planted on the earth, meaning may your moorings, your root always be on spirituality. And the left foot, materialism, you can stretch and go how far you want. Go as far as you like. But let it be done in a morally, spiritually upright way. Like the right foot is rooted on the ground. He had the mountain and the Modak, or Modaki, or rather he had the whatever Lati you want to call it. Devotees, one is to bless and one is to punish. But punish what? To beat all the bad impressions of the mind. That's what life is all about. We need to always be mindful of the thoughts we have. Lord Krishna puts it beautifully, our thoughts, our best friends, our thoughts, our own worst enemies. It depends on what kind of thoughts. So this is a little bit about Hanumanji as we are about to conclude. So that Lord whom we worship in our own way, pray for continued blessings, guidance, help and protection. Pray for yourself, your near and dear ones. हाथ जोड़ बिनती करूं, धरु हृदय में ध्यान, शरणागत की लाज रख, हे पवन पुत्र हनुमान, हे पवन पुत्र हनुमान. हाथ जोड़ बिनती करूं, धरु हृदय में ध्यान, शरणागत की लाज रख, हे पवन पुत्र हनुमान, हे पवन पुत्र हनुमान. मनोजवं मारुततुल्यवेगं जितेन्द्रियं बुद्धिं बतां वरिष्ठं वातात्मजं वानरयोध्यमुख्यं श्रीरामदूतं शरणं प्रपद्ये. हरिः ओं तत्सत्. ओम मंगलम भगवान विष्णु मंगलम गरुध्वजं मंगलम पुंडरीकाक्षः मंगलाय तनोहरि. आवाहनं न जानामि विसर्जनं पूजां चैव न जानामि क्षम्यतां परमेश्वर. त्वमेव माता च पिता त्वमेव बन्धो च सखा त्वमेव विद्या द्रविणं त्वमेव सर्वं मम देव. ओम शांति शांति शांति. बोले श्री सीतारामचंद्र की जय. उमापति महादेव की जय. पवन सुत हनुमान की जय. आदि शक्ति स्वाहा माता की जय. बोले श्री गुरु महाराज की जय. सत्य सनातन धर्म की शुभ वस्तु कल्याण वस्तु. आपको धन्यवाद. सत्य आशीर्वाद आप लोग पाई जाएंगे. पाहि माम त्राहि माम. ओम तत्सत. शक्ति शरणम. Blessings to all. Have a safe journey back home.